This is the Race Junior machine. It has been customized to handle this cosmetic container. This cosmetic container is tapered. In other words, it's bigger around up here by the lid than it is down at the base, so it's slightly tapered, making the application very difficult. We have customized this front roller with a nesting area for this container to keep everything straight as you label. We're going to be putting a two-part label on it. It's a clear-on-clear label, front and back, alternating on the same roll. So the container is put in the machine, a slight tug attaches the label, and you roll it, and when it's done applying, the machine stops. Even if you keep rolling it, the machine will not apply another label. Now you can see the edge of the already applied front label. So as that comes around, we're going to bring that around to this gap indicator here. What that's going to do is give you the proper gap between the front and back label when you apply the back label. So you've got the nice gap here at the front label, you've got the proper gap here, and you've got the back label. So once again, I'll show you this again. You put the container in the machine, put it in the nesting area, hold it firmly, do a slight tug and roll. When the label is applied, the machine stops. You rotate the container to the leading edge of that front label, and you apply the back label, and it gives you the proper gap between the labels and applies the label perfectly with no bubbles. Once again, the label's in the machine, in the nesting area, slight tug, kisses the label, already applied front label comes around to the gap indicator, then you apply the back label. You can see you have absolutely no bubbles. You have a perfectly applied front label, you have the proper gap, and you have the perfectly applied back label. And all three containers will look exactly the same.